Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. Today we're going to unbox this Insta360 all-purpose tripod. Insta360 was kind enough to send us this to review it, so we're going to check it out. There's the inside, I'll put that in here. We have instructions on how to use it. And here we have the all-purpose tripod. So you can see it opens, has a really wide footprint. Pretty cool. Really solid. It's made out of probably aluminum, some sort of metal. But yeah, there we have it. All-purpose tripod. Thanks for watching.